Verses from Genesis 1 from the book of Genesis in the Bible. The beginning. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. It was the formless and empty earth, darkness covered the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved over the face of the waters. God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good and separated the light from the darkness. God called light day and darkness night. Evening and morning passed, that was the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a firmament between the waters that separates water from water." Then God made the firmament and separated the waters below the firmament from those above. And so it was. God called the firmament heaven. Evening and morning passed, that was the second day. And God said, "May the waters under the sky gather together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And so it was. The dry part God called land, and the waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth be covered with vegetation, plants that bear seeds and trees whose fruits bear seeds according to their kind." And so it was. The earth gave rise to vegetation, plants that produce seeds according to their species, and trees whose fruits produce seeds according to their species. And God saw that it was good. Evening and morning passed, that was the third day. God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them serve as signs to mark seasons, days and years. And may they serve as a light in the expanse of the sky to illuminate the earth." And so it was. God made the two great lights, the greater to rule the day and the lesser to rule the night. He also made the stars. God placed them in the expanse of heaven to illuminate the earth. Rule the day and night and separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. Evening and morning passed, that was the fourth day. God also said, "May the waters be filled with living creatures, and may birds fly above the earth, under the expanse of the sky." Thus God created the great aquatic animals and other living beings that inhabit the waters, according to their kind, and all the birds according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God blessed them, saying, "Be fertile and multiply. Fill the waters of the seas. And let the birds multiply on the earth." The afternoon and morning passed, that was the fifth day. And God said, "Let the earth produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, wild animals, and the other living creatures of the earth, each according to its kind." And so it was. God made wild animals according to their kinds, livestock according to their kinds, and the rest of the earth according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, in our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the sky, over the great beasts of all the earth, and over every small animal that moves along the ground floor." God created man in his image. In the image of God he created him. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill and subdue the earth. Rule over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the sky, and over every living creature that moves on the earth." God said, "Behold, I give you every plant that grows on all the earth and produces seeds, and every tree that bears fruit with seeds. They will be food for you. And I give all vegetables as food to everything that has the breath of life in it, to all the great animals of the earth, to all the birds of the sky and to all the creatures that move along the ground." And so it was. And God saw everything that he had made, and everything had become very good. The afternoon and morning passed, that was the sixth day.